So here's the radio from our computer, and probably the customer bought the car from the dealer and dealer installed the slow radio over there. And always ask your dealers to install RadioKing radios, because we just supply the best radios on the market. So the problem is that the screen is nice, everything is nice, but performance is very slow. As soon as you go any app, for example YouTube, you will have to wait for ages. You will have to wait for ages. For example, you go some video and you have to wait a lot. You know, it's like not acceptable in 2023. So it's super slow. You just can't switch the song. For example, if you go to the Google Maps, it will be slow as well. Also, the screen is not really bright and nice. We put only QLED screens in our radios. This radio specs is 1 gig of RAM, which one is super not enough nowadays. So you can see everything is slow, because it's just like your old phone. It's slow and unusable. And for example, if you want to go somewhere, it will take ages. So it's just unusable. You press and you have to wait for ages, and then it loads. So